Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm stir frying a vegetable dish, Tagu Choy with garlic. So let's get started. Let's review the ingredients here. This is Tagu Choy, and this is also known as a Chinese flat cabbage. It's a mild mustard turnip green. It has a long stem with a spoon-shaped leaf. This is crushed garlic, a seasoning salt mix, sesame oil, and Shaoxing wine. Okay, for the prep, all we need to do is cut the Tagu Choy. And the stems of this vegetable need to cook a little bit longer, so we're going to separate that. Cut off the leaves, and I like to just quarter the stems. And I like to eat the heart. It's usually very sweet. Okay, actually that's it. So all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have the wok set at a medium-high heat. And you may notice I'm using a different wok. This is a cast iron wok. And I got this at a local yard sale when I was walking shadow in the neighborhood. And I got this for a whopping $3. But it was all rusted. And it's taken me a month and a half to season it to this point. So you see me using this wok intermittently while I'm cooking. And cast iron retains heat very well. So I preheat this for a few minutes longer than I would my other pan. But it's super heavy. So let's add oil. We'll add the garlic. Add the stems. The stems need to cook a little longer, so I'm going to cook this for a minute. Okay, now I'm going to add the leaves. Add the seasoning salt. Sesame oil. And Shaoxing wine. Now don't overcook the vegetables. And all you want to do is really cook away the rawness of the vegetable. And this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's just serve this. Okay, so let's place this. And here we have a simple stir-fry plate of Tagu Choy with garlic. It has a really mild mustard taste with a bit of sweetness from the stems. You'll love it. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Shadow likes it. Oh, yummy. She loves all types of choy. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.